Didn't know they had this room. Why isn't it open? It's kind of like they're open but not open. Monday Night Football. Ooh, I got a good bet on that. Let's see what the score is. I like it, yeah. I got the under. We've only scored 25 total. With 1/4 to go. You know, when you win a good sports bet, you're happy. But then you find out you have to bring a truck to collect your winnings, and you don't have a truck. So you have to get a wheelbarrow into the casino and take your winnings load by load. It could take a while. Things are very complicated. Okay, this is Monday night. I can tell you one thing about Harrah's. They seem to have the same crowd every night. It doesn't matter what the day of the week is. And other casinos, not so much. I mean, this is a weird week. We're transitioning into really good weather. Although we have some hot weather maybe coming back. You can never let your guard down on that weather. But today is fantastic, 79 degrees. At night, wow. I had to buy a jacket. How often do you figure they change out these croissants? You have to know how to pronounce croissant. Croissant. You just can't say croissant. You sound like you're sneezing. Uh-oh. Oh, Crunch Burger, $13.49. Okay, I was gonna say, I thought it went up $1, but it stayed the same. Now you can buy a whole pizza. Look how big it is. You can buy that whole pizza. That's way more than 16. How big is it? Let's see. It looks delicious, I have to admit. Whole pizza available too. Okay, they don't want to show the price because the pepperoni pizza is $13.99. Big meat, well, big meat is also $13.99. That's not bad, but it was $8.99 just 2 months ago. So I don't know what's going on. Maybe inflation or something like that. Ooh, can't hardly get through here. That's not tonight's game, is it? No, that's replays. Okay. Whew, that scared me. I thought I'd already lost my bet.
I just want to see their menu. How did you know I'd be at the back?
Ooh, there's a 500. Okay, I guess I can play here now. The 100s just bore me to death. Before there were betting apps on the telephone, this place would be more crowded. But it's still doing pretty good tonight, Monday Night Football. But definitely the convenience of having the betting on your phone, legal betting, is so convenient. People that just kind of don't leave their house. They have $5 blackjack up in the front almost every night. Let's see if they do tonight. You would think they would. 15. $5. Okay, 1-5 so far. $15 craps table. I might have to double back and teach them how to play craps. Off camera, of course. $5 electronic crafts. I like that. I like that table. Let's see if they've got the $5 tables up here. Usually have 3 of them in a row over there. Over here, this is a 5 right here. 10. They got about $5 tables active tonight. That's good. Can't expect much more than that. If you want to play $5 blackjack, I think Harrah's is your choice. I can't think of anything real close that's going to have $5 blackjack. Flamingo might have a couple tables, $5. We'll have to check that out. Ooh, bunch of gravel over there.
I'm gonna try to.